Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick kit up of a small square painting I've been wanting to try because I haven't done a smaller painting with square drills, so I'm kind of curious how it's going to come out. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And as well, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And I have shown the painting, I believe it's a Temu painting, in a stash video, I believe a week ago, or this week. I'm not too sure. I have a lot of Temu paintings. But, oh, my apologies. No, it wasn't Temu. It was Paint Some Way. Ooh, way off on that. Sorry, y'all. And it was this painting. It was the beautiful flowers in mason jars with a little bird. And I saw there was a square diamond, and I was real excited to pick it up because it's a 20 by 30. I found out I love doing 20 by 30s, and I'm a little faster on them. Never seen a square before, so when I saw this painting, that's why I picked it up really quickly because I was really excited on how it's going to look. It is Paint Some Way, right? Yeah, I believe so. I apologize. I started thinking about it, and I believe it is. I have been recording a lot of other paintings from other budget-friendly companies, so it threw me off, but I believe it is Paint Some Way. And I'll also put some information about this painting description below. I'll make sure to get the link and all that if maybe you're interested in it. Oh goodness. Sorry about that. So this is the items I use usually when I do a kit up. I have a large tray. My little, this time I'm going to use these little boxes since the painting only has 20 colors, so that's why I decided to use a smaller one. Usually my really small paintings, it's usually this size. The smallest of the little tube storage I love using is 30, so I think it's kind of overkill a bit if I use that for that. These are the diamonds all organized. I always do that. I cut them up and keep them in numerical order according to the legend. Scissors, of course, to cut the little packets, and this little box to hold the trash once I've already emptied the packets. I don't have the little plastic floating around. I do try hard to recycle all of the plastic that's left over, so that's why this little box kind of really helped me out. And what I usually do is, since these boxes are kind of small, I put them in the tray just in case when I'm pouring any of them spill. I already kitted up the first one because if y'all have seen my video for a couple days ago for the Art Dot storage product review, the little packet of diamonds I was showing was actually from this painting. So I got ahead and I just poured it into the box. For me, it was a little simpler. And all I really do is just open the little container, and fortunately all of these bags are in numerical order, which I'm a big fan of because it helps with the painting. Sometimes there are some diamonds that are more than that, that they're a little bit more full in the bag, so sometimes they won't fit, and if it doesn't, and if it spills, that's why I have a little tray so I can catch them, and perfectly they all fit, and voila, they're now in the box. I move on to the next one. I am so excited to try this little painting. As I said, I've never done a small painting with squares, so I'm curious how it comes out. And I haven't really seen... I'm really thinking about... I watch a lot of diamond painting channels, so I'm trying to see if any of those channels have shown me a completion, or if I've seen a completion of a small square painting. I don't believe I have. Usually when I see completions of square paintings, they're the really large ones, like 80 by 60 or some crazy number. But I've never really seen a small one, for example, 20 by 30 like this. I wonder if it does the same effect as a smaller round. As let's say, oops, sorry, this bag, I just know it's a little folded, so it's kind of stopping it from pouring out. Yeah, I noticed some of these in this painting were really crumpled up, and I don't know why. And apologies, as I was saying, as in rounds for smaller sizes, as for example 20 by 20, we can see that you can spot a lot of the detail. I'm not too sure if it's the same concept with a square. I'm assuming it is not, because as you've all seen, as I've seen, a lot of square paintings once they're completed, you actually see a lot of the detail once it's, well, completed. I wonder if it's the same concept for a smaller one. As I said, I'm really excited in starting this little painting because I want to see how it comes out. And I'm already on number 6. Ooh, this one's a little loose. I just caught that right now when I was moving it. I'm going to skip this one and probably move it down here. Sometimes these little boxes, I do use them a lot. So that's why sometimes the little latch in the back gets a little loose. So you probably saw it's real easy just for me to open it. And that one didn't. Hey, that was a good test. These two are a little bit loose. This one is. I'm not going to use this one. This one's not too bad, so I'll use this one. Which is going to throw me off, though. So I'm going to put aside number 6 and keep going in numerical order. And go to number 7. So, yeah, that was a little dramatic for the box, wasn't it? Apologies if I kind of scared anyone there. Because if this had opened, I would have been in so much trouble. And we all would have seen a wonderful rain of diamonds everywhere. And honestly, I am not that well, no, I am kind of clumsy. But usually I am not that clumsy when I get up. I just wanted to see if this was going to pop up. But as we all saw, it didn't. So, I don't recommend that. Don't do that. That was just me being clumsy as always. So, I'm trying to think. I am thinking if I had seen any other paintings that were small, that were square. I'm trying to remember when I first purchased this painting. I purchased with my own money. I'm trying to see if I remember if I had seen any other ones. I just spotted this one first, and I was just so excited because, apologies, I love the image. So, and when I saw it was square, I thought, that is really neat. So that's why I went into my cart and I purchased it, and I got real happy that I found that. I'm not sure if I remember seeing any other small square paintings as well. I'll have to go back to the site and see if I can spot any other ones. After I complete this one, of course. Because if I do like how it comes out, I'm going to see if I can find any small ones. So y'all probably caught, I love really small paintings. 20 by 20, they're a good example of it. Excuse me. Of all the paintings I've completed, most of them are 20 by 20s. Because they're really fast project to finish. They're real simple to kit up, and I just really like how it comes out. Some of the times, some of those really small paintings, they do not come out that as clear as I believe they will be. So it's hit or miss sometimes with those. And don't get me wrong, on the other side, I've been super surprised by some of them. So you're kind of taking a chance when you purchase them. So, and it's as long as you're not seeing an image that's really, really detailed and it's round and it's 20 by 20, there's a high chance that the image isn't going to be as clear as it looks for the original image. So that's why sometimes I'm a little picky with the image, or I just flat out love the image and I decide to take the chance. And since the majority of them I order them through Temu, they're really affordable. I try to get them while they're in lightning deal, because 20 by 20s, majority of the time, they're $1. And the most affordable diamond painting I purchased on a lightning deal was a 20 by 20. And it was 90 cents, I believe. It was under $1, which super surprised me, and I picked it up. I'm trying really hard which painting it was. I did complete it, but I'm trying to remember which one it was. It just surprised me at the price, because I never believed, it's going to go under $1. Because usually $1 is the lowest I've seen for the lightning deal. Well, for a diamond painting that size. So it surprised me when I purchased that one. And I am going to go through my painting, see if I can locate it, and I'll be able to show it to y'all. Just so y'all can see as well, if you go on Temu, always check out the lightning deals, because you'd be surprised, what you'd find really discounted. Ooh, this one's really crumped up, so I'm making sure that I can pour it kind of easy. Usually I use a funnel, but I noticed that a lot of these bags don't have a lot of diamonds, so pouring them out should be simple. I don't have to get the little funnel and worry about it not being balanced. Oh, sorry about that. I really wanted to thank everyone, because I saw the last time I saw our subscriber numbers, we were at 462. So we're slowly getting up there. I really want to hit 500 so we can have more access to other items for the channel. There is. Once you hit 500, there's a lot more opportunities of interaction. And I really, really want to hit that number so we can have, you know, more interaction. And I'll actually start doing, I actually had planned that once I hit 500, two things. First one, I'm going to start doing lives when I hit 500 because for me, I see that as such an accomplishment, and I appreciate everybody out there that's subscribing to the channel. I want to give that respect that, you know, we all can just sit down with a cup of coffee, enjoy doing our diamond painting, and just having a chat for probably half an hour or an hour, depending on how long the chat is. Once per week, just so we can just have a good time and just relax for the day. The second thing I wanted to do is I believe I had said it in a video a while ago. And once I hit 500, there's actually a little small giveaway I want to do to thank everyone who's been supportive of the channel. And that actually would be my first giveaway I've ever done, so I'd be a little nervous about it. And I'm actually researching to see how giveaways work on YouTube, so it's fair to everyone and I can make sure everything's correct. I don't have to worry about any issues that might occur once I start it. And apologies, I just noticed this one has a lot more than I thought. So being a little slower with the pouring. Ooh, worked out. Ooh, love that blue. So stay tuned for that. That if we do fortunately hit 500, I'll start doing recording and all of that to get ready for the giveaway. Because I had planned that a long time ago. Ooh, actually when I first hit 100 subscribers, I already had planned I'm going to do a giveaway at 500. So stay tuned for that because we're slowly getting there. And I'm getting so excited about that. As I said, thank you to everyone who's been with this channel since the beginning, and to everyone who just came on board. I really do appreciate it, so thank you so much for that. And we're on the last color, which is perfect. It's this wonderful, beautiful teal that I love, and there's always one hidden away. Oh no, actually it's not the last one. I have to put number 6 in another box, because honestly that one that I showed, it made me a little nervous. It is way too loose that I know if I accidentally tap the box, it might open. Yeah, this might work. My apologies if you hear it. There's a plane flying over, so I'm just listening to make sure it doesn't get louder. Because sometimes they do end up kind of flying kind of low, so I'm keeping an ear out. Oh no, they're good, they're good. So this is number 6. So I'm going to make sure to put another label here so I know what number that is. And I just have it there. Alright. And that's pretty much it. As you saw, that is so quick, so simple. Thank God. I only had a couple of diamonds that popped out. Nothing too serious. The static, thank goodness, there was no static in this painting. As you've probably all seen, I believe it was my last Kitup, I had static, was just horrible. So yeah, I'm just glad this one wasn't like that. And I love turning around, you can actually see all the colors. Ooh, I love seeing the little clear bottom, as you can see. And voila, easy peasy, got no problems with that. I love kitting up these small ones. They're so simple, so fast, and just as quick as my Kitup, I work so much faster, as I said, on the smaller ones. So stay tuned for progress for that painting. And just to show it again, you can see it's wonderful mason jars and daisies. Oh my goodness, they're going to look so pretty once I already put all the colors on it. Oh, I'm so excited to start this one. And yeah, a lot of these materials, I purchased them through Temu. Except the scissors. The scissors were given to me a long time ago. And I'll make sure to put the information below, so in case there's anything you're interested. And who knows, it might assist you on your Kitup. I'll make sure to provide that so you can move forward on having them in your accessory set. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel to be put out there and allows me the opportunity to show everyone all these wonderful diamond paintings and kit-ups we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.